In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the air intake boot on your Chevy Sonic. This will be located in the engine bay. Let's get started. Using an 8mm socket, we're going to loosen the clamp for the air intake boot. Push the boot off of the collector. We're going to have one more 8mm bolt for a clamp on the bottom of the air intake boot, right here. Loosen the bolt on the bottom of the air intake. With the clamp loose, we can remove the air intake boot and remove it from the vehicle. Install the new intake boot. Get it seated onto the throttle body. I'm also going to get it started on the air collector. With the intake boot fully seated, we're going to snug down both of our clamps. Get them nice and snug. Give them a push, give them a pull, make sure they don't go anywhere, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.